How to use AXA Disability Insurance France properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. AXA Disability Insurance in France is designed to protect your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Despite its importance, many policyholders make mistakes that can reduce coverage or risk claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some AXA policies cover only your own occupation, while others require you to be unable to work in any occupation. Choosing the wrong type could leave you with limited benefits if your condition only affects your current role. Ignoring the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the period before benefits start. Longer waiting periods reduce premiums but leave you financially exposed, while shorter periods increase costs but provide faster support. Balancing this with your savings and expenses is critical. Underestimating benefit amounts is another trap. Coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial obligations. Choosing too low a benefit may save money upfront, but leave you underprotected if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is another mistake. AXA offers riders like residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these can reduce flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize claims. AXA requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, AXA Disability Insurance France can provide strong income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, select the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.